Nothing tastes better than homegrown vegetables. To make it easy for you, we'll take you through some things to consider, like where, what, and how to plant vegetables, as well as how to feed and care for them. Number 1. Pick a location for your vegetable garden. How much sunlight your plants are able to get during the day will determine what you can plant. Picking a location that gets up to 6 hours of sunlight a day will mean you can plant almost anything. However, there are lots of plants that can still grow in partial sunlight or even partial shade. It's important to make sure the spot you pick is good quality soil, as this will help your vegetable garden retain nutrients and hold water for long enough to grow. To make it easier for yourself down the track, you should also try to pick a spot that has easy access to a source of water. Number 2. Determine what vegetables to plant. Now that you've picked a spot and you know how much sunlight your garden will get, you can determine what to plant. What you plant will also come down to which season it is and what it is exactly that you'd like to grow. Number 3. Design and plan your vegetable garden. Depending on how big or small your vegetable garden will be, you may need to put some effort into how you design it. Start by drawing a rough plan, including where your home is, existing structures, and any paving. Also mark how much sunlight each part of the garden will get, as this might change where you plant certain vegetables. Number 4. Choose a type of planter. There are many different ways to plant your vegetables. You can use garden beds, raised garden beds, wall planters, timber planters, vertical gardens, or pots. Number 5. Plant your vegetables. You'll need to start by preparing your soil and then planting your seeds or seedlings, making sure you water them regularly. When you go to plant your seeds or seedlings, make sure you turn the soil over with a square-bladed spade. This will loosen the soil, help it aerate, and give enough room for the roots to grow and spread. A good tip when growing veggies is to rotate your crops by not planting the same vegetable in the same place each year. This will discourage pests and diseases that could appear from a certain vegetable. Number 6. Feed and care for your vegetables. Once your vegetable garden is thriving, you should keep it well fed using fertilizers. Or, to save money and the environment, you can consider using your own compost instead. It will also need watering all year round. You can do this yourself every day with a watering can, automate a garden irrigation system, or install pop-up sprinklers. To make sure your hard work is not in vain, you should also protect your vegetable garden from pests and remove weeds. So that's it for today. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.